Alright, what's up?
I'm gonna be cleaning out my GST transmission for the Eclipse, and I'm gonna be cleaning the transmission with this pad I found in my mom's kitchen on the sink, and some degreaser that I bought from Walmart. So we'll see how this shit comes out.
Alright, this is the transmission that I pulled out the other day from my parts car. I already started kind of cleaning it. You can already tell right here where I cleaned it, but it doesn't, I mean, it hasn't been coming out real good. But hopefully with this pad that I found in my mom's kitchen, it's 3 AM. It should be coming out better, and it'll help from some degreaser. Alright, let's get to it. By the way, I am going to be painting it, trying to restore it, because this shit looks nasty as fuck. Time lapse. By the way, everyone thought I was running slick, but I'm really not. Fucking tired of all this shit. Look at this shit. Alright, let's see how this goes. Fuck. By the way, with the engine paint. But look, stops rust. Let's get it.
Last night I finished painting the transmission. It came out really good. It came out way better than I imagined, but I mean, the only reason you would really do that is to make yourself feel good. I forgot to show it on camera, but shit, it came out really good.
I actually had people ask me if it was brand new, if I bought a brand new transmission. I should have laughed.
So that's how I cleaned up and painted my transmission. Thank you for watching.
This is way harder than I thought. Fuck.